Hi guys! A day in my life as a part-time content creator na wala pang sahod at hindi naman sikat sa social media. Ngayong araw po, kakain tayo ng pungko-pungko dito sa Fuente. Sikat ito dito sa Cebu. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, pungko-pungko in Cebuano is a street food haven where you can find a dizzying area of local delicacies at super affordable prices. These are not fancy restaurants but rather row of vendors lining the street offering a vibrant and social dining experience. Kung pupunta ka dito sa Cebu, you must visit this pungko-pungko sa Fuente. Sabi nga nila, kulang yung experience mo if hindi mo ito mapuntahan at dinadayo lang naman ito ng karamihan. This is located at 52A J. Lauriente Street, Cebu City. Malapit lang naman ito sa Fuente Circle. And of course, eto na nga, the real star of the show here is the incredible variety of street food. We're talking about the crispy delights like chicharon bulaklak or the deep-fried pork flower buds, ginabot or the buttered and the deep-fried chicken intestine, and of course, the classic lechon of Cebu. Don't be shy to explore. There's something for everyone, from savory grilled meats like isaw or the chicken intestine and the Betamax to a vegetarian option like fresh spring rolls and veggie tempura. Grabe, nakakabusog talaga dito sa pungko-pungko sa Fuente. Sulit na sulit yung 100 pesos namin dito. Nag-crave ka na rin ba? Ano pang hinihintay mo? Pumunta ka na at para ma-experience mo rin ito. Pero paalala lang din po, hindi man ako expert pero hinay-hinay lang tayo sa pagkain ng mga ganito. Okay lang yung minsan, wag lang yung everyday. Mahalaga pa rin yung kalusugan natin. If you are looking for authentic Cebuano experience, Pungko-Pungko sa Fuente is must visit. It is a delicious and affordable way to immerse yourself in a local culture and tantalize your taste buds. Yun lamang po, and thanks for joining me on this food adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exploration of Filipino cuisine. Sana maraming kayong natutunan for today's video. Salamat! Bye! See you soon!